Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a fall pumpkin tablescape using all kinds of amazing orange pumpkins I've gathered up over the years, and I'm going to be doing a 4 fall tablescape series, so wait till the end for links to my others. I'm doing a really fun farmhouse one that I think you guys are going to love. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to comment down below what you think about this tablescape. Let's get started by cleaning off our surface. I'm going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day and the apple cider scent. It's going to get my room smelling so good for fall, and it really does cut down on the grease. We use this table every day for dinner with the kids, and it's got all kinds of stuff stuck on it. I love this product. It's not super expensive, and it just smells terrific. Comment down below on what your favorite Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day scent is. I just got done using the peonies all summer, but I'm so excited for the fall scent. I like to start my tablescapes by putting down a nice table runner to create the layers that will end up being our centerpiece. I got this really cute buffalo check orange table runner from Amazon. The company is linked down below. They have really affordable stuff that's great. And then this Garland is at Michael's every year. I picked it up on a 60% off fall floral section with a 25% off sale item discount, so it came out to like only $8. Throughout this DIY, I'm going to be layering in pumpkins all over the table. I'm going to start with these fun pumpkins I found at Michael's to create almost a layered effect to give the tablescape a little bit of depth. And of course some fall foliage just to give it some volume. Okay, if you haven't already picked these up, these things are amazing. I get them at the dollar store. We actually have a Dollar Tree here, or Dollar General where you guys are, but these are awesome. I use them. They're candle holders, but you can paint them. You can do anything you want with them. I have them in black and white. I like to use them, as you can see. I start to put all of my cute little orange pumpkins on them, and it really creates that depth and layer that you're looking for in a tablescape. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about our centerpiece so far. Next, we're going to set the table for dinner. I decided to continue with the theme of this really cute orange buffalo check for the napkins, but you can use any color you want to really jazz this table up. Honestly, I would have maybe gone with some like a deep forest green, much like the pillows in the background, or maybe even a rich purple like an eggplant. There are many different ways you can layer the table and give color to not only the chargers but the napkins to really give your table that extra depth. I picked up those pumpkin little dishes at the dollar spot at Target, and those fall leaves I'm going to layer on every other napkin I got at the dollar store. To keep my table interesting, I like to change the way I do each napkin on each seat so that everybody kind of looks around and says, oh, what does yours look like? Oh, what does yours look like? And it gives it just a little bit more variation and excitement. How cute are those pumpkin plates? If you like this tablescape so far, please hit that like button and put your comments down below and let me know what you like, what you would do different, or maybe some of your own ideas for a fall tablescape. I decided to go with my black silverware as a counterpart to those candle holders I had. I didn't really have a lot of black, in this tablescape, but as you can see in the background, I've got some black and white pillows, and I thought these would be the perfect accent for those. Oh, and if you don't already have a set of these, I found an awesome supplier on Amazon that are really affordable and great quality. I'm just using some filler pumpkin that I picked up at Michael's to fill in some of the gaps that I was seeing around my centerpiece. You can also put these in and around your forks and knives and maybe in the bowls. I think would look cute. I just didn't do them that way because I thought it would look better if they were kind of just sprinkled throughout the centerpiece. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about the table so far. As you can see, I have all kinds of different pumpkins in there, from glass to plastic ones to I even have a couple felt ones in there. I've collected these over the years, and I really would love to know what you guys think about all the orange pumpkins. The last step is to set out your wine glasses and your water cups. I'm going to be using these really cute fall cups I picked up at the Dollar Tree, which is amazing because they were only $1 each. I'm also serving wine tonight, and I'm going to be setting out just one wine glass. I usually wait to do the glasses at the end because I always hate moving them around with fear that they're going to break. And there you have it. Our fall pumpkin tablescape is done. Please let me know down below what you think about this tablescape today. I had so much fun making this, and I look forward to sharing so much more with you guys. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bar. I post at least once a week. And if you have any questions about the things I used today, just ask. I'd be so happy to share them with you. At the end of this video, I'm going to link the other DIY fall tablescape videos for you guys. I hope you love them as much as I really enjoy making them for you. Enjoy this and have a wonderful fall. I'll see you soon.